Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's recipe, I am going to show you guys how to make this super easy air fried hot honey chipotle wings. So flavorful and so yummy. But before we begin, you know what to do. Leave a like if you enjoy the recipe. Also subscribe and let's get started. To get started, I want to let you guys know all the ingredients will be found in the description box below. I am starting with about 3.5 pounds of wings. I am going to cut them up just like so. Once I'm done, I like to give them a nice wash just to remove any yellow residue on them. And also I use salt and lemon. Now that we have our wings nice and clean, I am going to start seasoning it. To season, I like to drizzle about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil on there, just like so. Then we're going to use all these seasonings right here. I am using onion powder, garlic powder, sazon, creole seasoning, a little bit of ground black pepper, chili powder, as well as some paprika. You're going to mix that together and just pour it all over your wings. Toss it and sprinkle the remaining of the seasoning in. Next, I am going to be adding some cornstarch to make the wings nice and crispy and just to have some texture to them as well. So I'm going to pour the cornstarch on there and use my hand to mix it all together. Once I am done, I am going to pop them in the air fryer. Talking about air fryer, I would like to give a big shout out to Dreo for sponsoring today's video. They sent me this amazing air fryer to try out in today's video. First thing I noticed about this air fryer is how spacious it is compared to the one I have. It's very large. I believe you can cook up to 4 to 5 pounds of wings in this air fryer because it is very big. When you receive the air fryer, this is basically how it looks. It comes with a circulation grill to help your wings or whatever you're cooking cook both way and evenly. They also send you some information about the air fryer and as well as a cookbook. There's up to 100 recipes in the book for you if you need some, air fryer recipes. And also you have a quick reference guide and some other information about the air fryer as well. I like how easy it is to use this air fryer. All you have to do is just press the button just to release it and pull it out. And I noticed there's light. Oh my God, I need that. My other air fryer doesn't have that. So that was a big plus for me. And also you can see when your food is cooking, that was another big plus for me with this air fryer. And it's super big, it's very large, very large. Like I said, you can cook a whole chicken in here. That's how big it is. If you are looking for a bigger size, basically a mini oven, I will say it's definitely this one, the Dreo air fryer pro max. Okay, and these are the setting. They have a baking setting, a roast setting, a broil setting, as you guys can see, and the air fryer on top. You have your timer, you have your start and pause button, and also you have your temperature. This air fryer goes up to 450 and you can make fried, poultry, steak, seafood, bacon, vegetable. Like I said, you have a light button you can press if you want to have the light on the whole time or turn it off. You have your preheat, you have your menu, and you have a dehydrate, okay, if you're making some dry fruits. I like how convenient it is for me to just pop this in the dishwasher because it is dishwasher safe. I don't have to go and try to wash it by hand. That's another big plus for me with this air fryer. And this air fryer, you can buy it on Amazon. I will have all the information down below. This air fryer name is Dreo. The direct link will be down below. If you are interested on buying this, definitely check it out. If you are looking for one, definitely recommend this 100%. Okay, I will have the link below for you guys, so please check that out. To air fry the wings, I am going to add a little bit of oil to the grill. Then I am going to place my wings right on there. Now I was super excited to add the wings in there because I didn't have to overcrowd the wings too much because I do want them to come out nice and crispy. So I was really happy about that. Now we're going to push it in and lock it just like that. Since we're going to be air frying these, we're going to press the air fry button, set our timer for 20 minutes on 400 degrees. Once our 20 minutes is up, look how beautiful and golden brown they are. We're going to flip them over just like that and set our timer for another 10 minutes because we want the other side to be nice and crunchy and crispy as well. And of course, if you want it to be super crispy, you can leave it longer. So I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes on 400 again. Once it is done, you guys, look how golden brown and crispy it is. So now I am going to be working on the sauce. I am going to melt about 2 tablespoons of butter. Once melted, I am going to add my hot sauce in, and also we're going to add some Chipotle peppers. Okay, this thing right there is super spicy, very spicy. Let me show you guys what I am using. It's this brand right here, very spicy. Once you are done adding that in, you're going to take your honey, just pour that in just like that, and you are going to give it a nice stir. Let it simmer for about 1 minute, and basically your sauce is ready. All right, time to add the sauce to the wings. Look how beautiful golden brown they are. So I'm going to pour the sauce all over the wings. Give that a nice toss. You guys, my mouth is literally watering right now. And here's the final result. You have yourself this beautiful, flavorful, hot honey Chipotle wings. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. This right here is definitely a 10 out of 10. Would recommend because it's absolutely delicious. If you like sweet and spicy, this is definitely for you. Don't forget to grab your Dreo air fryer. If you are a wing lover, you definitely need yourself a reliable air fryer. So definitely grab yourself one. The link will be down below. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.